So this is a recap for live stream 292, I believe, or 93. And as we can see, we're down 43 today. Didn't quite take all the trade setups. Talked myself out a couple of trades that would have worked themselves out. But ultimately kept trading, and the market started to go in this rather strange pattern here where it kept grinding down. So the counter trades just didn't seem to work in either direction. So ultimately paid in terms of the P&L. Overall, on the 2 minutes here, we can see the market was chopping around, which in theory should have been good for the strategy, but I was just on the wrong side. Overall, the markets has been in a fairly tight range in comparison to what we've seen recently on NQ. The range hasn't been that high today. But overall, I'm not going to abandon the strategy because of one bad day. So we can see here, this is the P&L cumulative net profit. We're up 13, drew down. Then we were up 19, drew down again. Couldn't quite get above the 13 before we went into this drawdown where we're finally going to end the day down at the 43 mark. On the summary page, we can see we were positive on long trades, negative on short trades. Our profit factor was negative because we did have a losing day. Accuracy is in the 30s, which seems to be where we are with this strategy. Average win being bigger than average loss, somewhat of a positive. Largest win being smaller than our largest loss. A bit of a negative. Time in the market about 2.5 minutes, which seems about pretty standard. So overall, I'm not going to complain too much. We'll see what the strategy brings tomorrow, and if the conditions are more favorable for the strategy. Did have some difficulties, but I suppose you can expect that. Can't expect to be green every day. And with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.